Yeah, I was ready to quit, if I'm honest. When I joined initially, it was like a breath of fresh air. I felt the weight lifted off me even when I joined and said, sign the dotted line, because I knew I needed the help. And it really inspired me and motivated me. I had set a target for the year for $1 million. And within the first 12 weeks, I'd smashed the $1 million. I went on to do $2 million. So my name's James Pizzolidis. I own a construction company and I also own a solar business. First time ever I was tracking profit, margins. I've reset my targets because I realised because my targets, I'd achieved it, I didn't need to do anything. So I've set everything from the 1st of September back to 0 and I've increased my target this year for 2.5 million. But in the meantime, I started a solar business. I think I set it up in February, we're now September, and that's a legitimate standalone business now. So I've got all the brochures, as we were taught. I've got the brand, I've got the social media, I've got the content. I've had 10 to 15 installations, got sales teams, got a steady flow of leads coming in now, good quality leads. So that is growing legs of its own. I've had the business 10 years. And it's the first time I actually think I'm going to make a profit this year. In fact, I will make a profit this year. So that's a massive, massive step forward, which then allows me to invest into the solar, to build the brand, make the brand stronger. So the more money you've got, the more you can build with it instead of just winging it and paying day by day. A really powerful part of the academy is the group of people you're with. The connections that you make is phenomenal and it's worth the money. And if you're serious about your business or serious about building a business, no matter where you are, you need an education. You need a mentor for whatever you do. It's priceless. I'd highly recommend it. If you want to take your business seriously, just do it.